Thanks for checking out this video. It's just showing the next circuit for the Electronics Learning Lab from RadioShack, and we're just a little bit into Book 2 still of digital logic. And this one is using switches and a relay to make 4 kinds of logic gates. So this circuit will test an AND gate, a not AND gate, an OR gate, and a not OR gate. Okay, so let's see, we're using 6-volt power source for a couple things. We have 2 LEDs which will tell us if, LED, in this circuit, LED 1 is this red light, or the red LED, pardon me. LED 2 is the green one, so I'll say LED 1 and 2 a lot. But that will tell us if, just the state, if it's, depending on which of these switches are pressed, the logic, it'll tell us the logic, the outcome. If you think of it like it's a truth table, it'll tell us the outcome of the truth table. And we have a resistor here, which is a brown, black, red, which is a 1K. And things are connected to the relay here. Okay, so I'm just going to, let's see if I can get everything in the picture camera view. I'm going to turn the unit on, and you'll see LED 1, the red LED lights up. You can, actually the camera is interesting because you can really tell in person that it lights up very, very bright red. But then when I put the camera on it, you can kind of see it glow. But anyways, in person the LED is much brighter. So if I press, let's test the AND gate. So the AND gate is, I'm going to hold down S1 and S2 and S3. Well, no, they're off. Okay, so off, off, and LED 2, which is the green one, should be off. So that's correct. If S2 is off and S3 is on, so I press and down S3, the green light is still off. So that's correct. If I press down S2 and not S3, the green light should be off, and that's correct. If I press down S1 and S3, since this is an AND gate, the green light should come on. And there you go. Now that one shows up really bright. Okay, so I just let go. S2 and S3 pressed together again. It's an AND logic, so the light comes on. Now, let's see, for the N AND gate, the not AND gate, kind of the opposite, we should expect the opposite outcome. So S2 and S3 not pressed, the LED 1, which is the red one, should be on, and that's correct. You can see it's on. If we press S2 off and leave S3 on, S2 off and make S3 on, the red one should still be on, that's correct. S2 on, S3 off, same thing. And if both S2 and S3 are on, LED 1 should be off, which is correct. Okay, let's do the OR gate. We're going to use S1 and S2 keys. So if they're both off, LED 2 is off. That's the green one, so that's correct. If S1 off and S2 is on, LED 2 should come on. Let's see, what am I doing wrong? Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. So to test the OR gates and the not OR gates, you need to hold down S3. Okay. So if I so S1, S2 off, LED 2 is off. That's correct. Now if I turn S2 on, LED 2 should come on. That's correct. If I press S1, LED 2 should come on. That's correct. And if I do both of them, LED 2 should come on. So an OR again is S1 on or S2 on, or of course both on. So this one, or both. And the not or well, again, it should be the opposite outcomes. So LED, when they're both off, S1 and S2, LED 1 should be on, and that's correct. You can see the red light is on, red LED is on. If I turn on S2, red light goes off. S1, red light goes off. And both on, the red light goes off. Okay, so there's the wiring there to accomplish that with the relay also. Okay, so let me turn the unit off. Let me summarize. So again, this was using switches and relays to make 4 kinds of logic gates. So we simply did an AND gate, an OR gate, and a NOT AND, and you'll see that written NAND, and a NOT OR written NOR gate. And using these 2 LEDs to show the outcome, essentially the outcome of a logic table, truth table. Okay, so that's all I got. Thanks for checking this out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.